Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a series of questions which were taken from the November 2016 DBE exam. So let's jump in. Question says, indicate whether each of the descriptions in column 1 applies to A only, B only, both A and B, or none in the items in column 2. Write A only, B only, both A and B, or none next to the question number. So 1.3.1. The selection and breeding of organisms with desirable characteristics by humans. That is the key point there, by humans. Is it A, natural selection, or B, artificial selection? The answer is definitely B, artificial selection, because humans are choosing the desirable characteristics from the organisms and forcing them to breed. Natural selection, it would be random, to be a random choice for the animals or any organisms to breed. 1.3.2, an allele that is not shown, so it's not shown or expressed in the phenotype when found in the heterozygous condition. So it's not shown or expressed in the phenotype, but it's still there. When that happens, the allele is known as a recessive allele. So the answer is B. Dominant would be that it is shown in the phenotype. 1.3.3, the pairing of nitrogenous bases. To pair nitrogenous bases, that happens in A, DNA, and not RNA. RNA would be coded for by the DNA. Right, and that'll give you all of your 6 marks. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.